Hello, my mindful foodies. It's Mike here with another plant-based recipe. I'm making guacamole today. This is my best guacamole recipe. There are lots of recipes out there, but I get told all the time I make the best guacamole. You can be the judge of that. Please try it out. Comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think of the recipe, about the video. Subscribe to my channel, and please share this with anybody that you think might be interested. So here is my best guacamole recipe.